Hi everyone, today we'll be making this little bow pipe cleaner ribbon butterfly. Yeah, it's kind of like bows, but it's ribbon and pipe cleaners. There's the back. Yeah. We have a butterfly like flowery theme because it's sort of spring summery time, so yeah. So what you're going to need is ribbon. I just have this blue stuff that, does it say the size on here? Probably does somewhere. I don't know. Just whatever I felt like grabbing. I have my random heap of craft supplies. And I have one pipe cleaner, and you need scissors. Yes. The first thing you need to do is pull out the ribbon so you can just work with some of it. And then you need to make a loop. So your loop would be like that big. Which is actually pretty close to the one on this one. So you want that, and then you just, and remember, you have to figure out and have a little bit of extra overlap so that you can twist it into the pipe cleaner. So I think like that is long enough for me. But you can do bigger, smaller. If you have like thicker ribbon, you could do bigger butterflies. But if I did too big with this, that would look weird because it's thinner ribbon like this. Not real thin, but if it's too big, it would look thin. If you have thinner ribbon, you could do smaller depending on what you want. So I'm not gonna like say a size. This is just how much I have. And then for your other piece, remember this is the top part of your butterfly, the front wings. For the back wings, you want to line up the ribbon with your first one you made. And then you want to find the end like this. So to the end, and you want to cut it to be a little bit less than the other one, but not a whole lot. You can always cut off more if you need to. It's easier to do that than it is to add more on. And I'm just going to roll up my extra ribbon. I don't need the ribbon no more. And I'm going to set it aside. It's really more. Then you take your pipe cleaner. I'm going to fold it in half to find the center. And now what you want to do is you want to twist it a little bit. This is going to be like your butterfly's like butt, sort of like this part down here. Yeah. There's a fine line between not enough, too much, and just right. You gotta figure out what you think is right. I like that much. I'm referring to the other one while I go along, make it look sort of the same. I like about that much, maybe a little less. Just a little less, yeah. And then you want to take and find your shorter piece of ribbon, which is this one for me. You want to take it and you want to fold it and have you have to have enough overlap that it won't just pull, because obviously, since these aren't like sewn together, the ribbon, if you pull the one loop hard enough, part of it would just undo and then it'd be ruined. You had to take it apart and fix it. So you didn't want to do that. So you have to make sure you have enough overlap that it won't do that very easily. Like, say like that much. Like, yeah, something like that. And you want to fold that flat, so that's like centered in the center here. And you want to take this and you want to fold it this way together. And then you want to fold it back again and pinch it so it's like a bow, like that. If it's not perfect, it doesn't have to be. It's just to be squished as small as you can get it, because you can get it tighter in the pipe cleaner, and it's less likely to fall off. So you want to get it right there. If it's not perfectly centered, you can always adjust it a little bit after. But just push your ribbon down as far as you can get it, and as smushy as you can get it. And then give this a twist, and then a second one, because otherwise it might undo a little bit. Like that. And then you can kind of just smush it around a little bit. Figure out how you want it, and twist it and stuff. I like it. I kind of like it like that. It's a little uneven. Pull it that way a little bit. Yeah. Like that. And then you take your next big chunk. You want to overlap it pretty much the same amount, because then the one will be bigger than the other. And you'll put that in the center like that. You want to fold this like this, so like that, and then fold these two parts back. So basically it's folded in like that, whatever that means. I don't know. I just know how to do it. I don't know how to say it. You want to hold it like that. You also want to make sure when you do this part, first of all, you need your pipe cleaners so that they're like that, so you can stick it right in there. You also want to make sure that the backs are on the same side. Otherwise, that'll be a little weird looking. And you want to stick this down in there, and if you squish the other one a little bit, we don't really care right now. We just got to get this one twisted in. Like 2 little twists. And then, boom, we have most of our butterfly done. You kind of just want to smush it around, make you how you like it. And then the last part you can do is add these little antenna things. But with the amount of pipe cleaner we have left, for me, that's too much. So I want to take these. It's also uneven. So I'm going to cut off like that much. I'm going to leave a little more than you really need if you're cutting them off. Because the next thing you want to do, if you know me and pipe cleaners, I have a bad record with getting poked by them and they hurt. You can take the little ends and just fold them over. Because then there's less chance of being stabbed. And you want to just take this and just like roll them. And make them as round and as nice as you feel like making them. If you want to do some weird thing where they're like squares, I don't care, go ahead. I just like the nice swirly round ones. And there. That is how you make a ribbon pipe cleaner bow butterfly. If you like craft with ribbon, give this a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any ideas. I'll try almost anything. And subscribe. Bye!